Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? So we're gonna start in a few minutes now. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to today's stream. We're gonna take a look at a few things. Markets are interesting at the moment, so we have a few things to talk about today. Let me just here switch to my screen and we can start. If you guys have anything and questions or something, just let me know here in the chat. You're free to ask anything. So today we're going to take a look, first of all, at S&P, what we can expect. So we had this pretty bad move down here, actually. And yeah, I mean, we pretty much knew that we're going to have a downfall on S&P, Bitcoin, and so on. But it went a lot more down than expected, so let's see what we can do here today. So first of all, I'm expecting some move to the upside. I mean, a higher time frame is bearish, that for sure. So we're going to switch a little bit here to the 1 hour, take a look. So if we take a look here, we have some liquidity here. What I'm expecting is on the 15 minutes, to be honest, a move down to this fair value gap. So pretty much, let's see if we can be bullish on New York today. So this is what I'm pretty much looking at. So here we pretty much formed some equal highs. So pretty much we're going to see a move down to this fair value gap to fill this. Doesn't have to be, but this is what I'm expecting. And then a move down, breaking all this. So take profit will be around up here. SPY stops. So this is pretty much what we can expect on S&P. So I don't think we're going to see it dropping further. It could, but this means that we're just going to take out this here and then move up. But at the moment, we broke this structure here, we went up, so I want to see this fair value gap filled. We have relative equal highs here, so this, in my opinion, we're going to get up here. So I'm just waiting here for this gap to be filled. So this is actually what we need to keep it simple here. At the moment, London session is on. So we pretty much, like I said, we need to go down here before we go up. If we look at NASDAQ, let me see. NASDAQ pretty much already went to the fair value gap, but I'm still expecting another move down. So pretty much the same as S&P as always. So pretty much a down move here, then a move up here to the buy stops. So another trade. What we can expect on the New York session. But pretty much that's it. I mean, S&P and NASDAQ, it's pretty clear at the moment. I want to see this fair value gap. If we get this, okay. Try to be long positions here, by the way. So it's really hard to, let's say, in my opinion, my trade will be something like this. Then a move down up here. But we can switch to a lower time frame and get some more aggressive scalps to the upside. But at the moment, what I want to see and be safe is this fair value gap, and after that we can expect the move up. So let me go to cryptos. Let me here clear a bit some of the shit. I'm getting some messages, give me a moment. Okay, cool. So Bitcoin, so let me know guys if the music is too loud in the background, because I don't know If you have trouble hearing me, just let me know in the chat. So on Bitcoin, pretty much higher time frame, we have formed this fair value gap on the daily, so I'm going to expect the move up here. It's a little bit more unclear on crypto, to be honest. So what I'm expecting here is two things. So my bullish scenario will be, okay, this we filled this fair value gap here, and now we can expect some up movement. Or let me see on the 4 hour real quick if we have a significant something to look at here. So we had this one. So we have two options. So we either go up from here, we respect this fair value gap, or we go once more down, attack this liquidity, and then go up. So we then have to break market structure. So let me just give me a second. Let me reply to the guys here. So yeah, again on Bitcoin, with that, this is what we are expecting, to be honest. So we either respect this fair value gap, which will be really possible. So the long position will be around here. We can expect, if we go to the 15-minute, we have some buy stops here. So this is where we could take profit if that's the case. I'm not going in now. Timing is not for me. I just really want to look at New York today, and let's see if we get some decision on there. But at the moment, just looking at Bitcoin. So those are actually the both options we're looking at. So let me just draw it again so you see it. So we either have, we respect this fair value gap and we go up, or we go once more down, attack this, then go up and go to up here. So those are the two options or what I'm looking at, to be honest. So yeah, this is what's happening on Bitcoin. Let's switch to Ethereum. So merge happened, I don't know, a moment ago. We had some pretty crazy price action going on this morning on Ethereum. So pretty much, let me go again here. So pretty much Ethereum, it's unclear for me. So we had this fair value gap here. So what's going to happen from now on, it's a little bit difficult to say here, in my opinion. So I'm just waiting here for Ethereum to get clear price action. I don't want to rush in on anything. Bitcoin is looking clear, in my opinion, so this is what I'm going to stick on. But like I said, if we go to S&P and NASDAQ, those are the two which I'm pretty much looking at, because price action is really clear. So Bitcoin and Ethereum pretty much, well, Ethereum, it's a little bit more difficult than Bitcoin. So like I said, I'm going to stick here on this plan. So we either have one move down or we respect this fair value gap, and this is what's going on. Just gonna take a look now at Forex. Just to remember, you guys, if you have anything to ask or want me to look at, just let me know in the chat, no problem. So, if you don't mind, let's switch to Forex. Let's take a look at some pairs here. We're gonna start with the euro dollar. In my opinion, bullish, but my only thing what I'm having here, as I saw this morning, is we have relative equal lows, so this is good. I mean, it looks like we're going to go one more down here. Want to see how we respect this level up here. But at the moment, let me switch to the lower time frame and see what happened this morning. So yeah, this morning, actually we had a long position around here. Wasn't around to take it, but I'm just now focusing on this relative equal lows here and just analyzing which level we're going to reach to go down here. So at the moment, we can basically take some levels here and take those as target if you're long from down here. But anyways, I missed it. I'm not looking to get long anytime soon here again. So my thoughts is maybe to risk, if we're going long, just around the fair value gap. We broke this structure here. But as we have equal lows, I'm really unsure where we're going up to, actually pretty much going down. Exactly, Shane. That's exactly what Shane is saying here on the comments. He says, neutral here, bearish on the bigger picture. Daily fair value gap to the upside. Next objective may before dropping again. So this is absolutely true. So what we can actually pretty much look here at euro dollar is pretty much the low time frame. But at the moment there is nothing to take at the moment. So pretty much, like I said, the trade was this morning around down here. But like I said, I missed this one. But pretty much this is what we're gonna take a look at euro. So we wanna wait for a little bit more price action basically, and see what's gonna happen. But yeah, overall we are neutral, but like I said in the beginning, we are still bearish on the higher time frame. So we're not gonna rush in something on the higher time frame at the moment. So let's take a look at US dollar CAD, Canadian. I'm really focusing on this equal highs for a while, so I want this to be taken. So I'm looking here if we can, where to get a long position. I'm not going to rush in, but I feel that we're gonna go once more up here and take those equal highs, because all this move up here was pretty hard, so but didn't go above this equal high, so we're still waiting here at the moment. But pretty much it's clear price action. I mean, after those news, when was it, 2 days ago, this coin went crazy, just straight up. But yeah, pretty much those equal highs is what I'm interested in. Let's see if we can get some kind of a move up here. Let's take a look on the lower time frame. A little bit hard to say on the lower time frame. So let me see here on the 50-minute. Let me switch this session here. We have Thursday. So yesterday was a little bit rangy, so we can expect maybe today to get a move. But I'm just a little bit unsure here. Let me take a look here. Fill daily, fair value gap below, and then equal highs likely. Yeah, exactly. I mean, this is what I'm. If we go to the daily exactly here, we see this fair value gap. So we most likely can take this. Well, not to take a long position, but we can expect the move down here, and that we can go to the lower time frame and identify where the bottom is. But we need to go, in my opinion, below this here. We're going to attack this level, go down, fill a little bit of this fair value gap, and then, yeah, pretty much go for those equal highs. So USD Canadian pretty much clear. So we want to see a move down. Let me draw this here. After we get this move down, we just need to go to the lower time frame and look for some market structure breaks and take a look if we can go in. Then after we get this move down, but anyways, USDCAD is pretty much analyzed here. I mean, I like this one. I was looking at those equal highs for a while. So let's see what we can make with this one. So pretty much I took a look at Euro dollar, USD CAD. I don't want to take a look at something else because those are the two I'm basically just mostly trade with. Um, so let me know if you guys have any altcoins or anything you want me to look at. Just leave it on the comments, no problem, and I will take a look at. What I want to take a look now is pretty much DXY, sorry. Let me just remove all this. So, DXY weekly. So, just to keep it simple, this is still bullish. So, we really want to see some market structure break first. Let me pull up a new chart here quick. Away. So this is the weekly chart. If we zoom in, I really want just to see those level break for some market structure break. Then, if that happens, basically we are bearish. But at the moment, as soon we're going up, I'm bearish on all the things Bitcoin, S&P, and all. Just to keep this simple. Not using this as an indicator or something, but we can expect if dollar is going up, we can expect the rest of going down. So I'm talking about S&P and Bitcoin and stuff, but pretty much if we go to the daily here, what's that candle? Let me go to the 2-day. So I really want to see some structure break before we can turn bearish. At the moment, no signs of it. Maybe we can turn bearish here short term. But at the moment, high time frame as DXY is going up, we can expect crypto and things to going down. So pretty much not too much to look at this now. I'm not having this analyzed in a way. I'm just looking for the structure break. So this is actually what going to tell us if things are going sideways. Well, not sideways, but up again. So let me check the comments. It's bug. It wasn't like this before the daily candle. The DXY 120. Why not? Why not? We'll be happy for it as long Bitcoin is going down. I really want to see Bitcoin. I mean, let's take a look at Bitcoin for you guys here on another perspective. This is my chart since ever, let's say. I'm still expecting Bitcoin on its wave two. This is wave two, everything. So at the moment, this is labeled as an ABC. The move down here needs to be impulsive, meaning that this is a 1, 2, 3. Right now we have a 4. And this move down here is not going to be tasty. So I'm really expecting Bitcoin to go minimum. So minimum is really 14K. This is what we at least need to go. But in my opinion, we see in Bitcoin below 10K again. So this is going to be between 10 and 9K. This is what I'm expecting. Just a move down, straight up again. Not going to stay too long here. So this is the move I'm waiting for. Been shorting Bitcoin since up here. Been enjoying it. Still having some cash from holding up here. I'm just waiting for this level. This is the level that the chart is telling me, and this is what I'm waiting for. 14K minimum, 10 to 9K. We need to maybe see this as well. But yeah, what do you say? Open the 12-month chart on DXY. Let me see. Now I get your point. Now I get your point. This is the level we're gonna see on the DXY. Yep. Give it to me. Why not? This is lovely, lovely. This is what we're gonna see. Lovely. Jesus Christ. Lovely. And see below structure break imbalance fill. Exactly, yeah. Jesus Christ. No, man, this is clear, really clear. So we can expect this to go up here. So 120 for DXY, guys. Beautiful. This is pretty much, you can see if we go up here, we're going to see some blood on crypto, blood on S&P. So prepare. Oh, let me put some, where was this? Okay, I have my alerts on. So yeah, S&P, if we are expecting those 120 on DXY, well, as I don't want to guess where S&P is going, but we're going down, that for sure. We're going down, that for sure. And if we move up from here, then just maybe to test something, but I'm still bearish, little bearish. So let me see here the daily chart real quick. Don't I have this here as well? What is that? What you guys telling here? Uh, why Discord event? Let me reply to this. So let's go back here to the chart. So yeah, S&P, Jesus Christ. So next level for me on S&P is 3,200. So to be honest, so this is what pretty much we can expect. Gold, gold bearish, my friend. Gold still bearish. We have to take all those lows out here. Everyone turned bullish on gold here on Twitter. It was insane. But having all those equal lows here, and we didn't go below. So that's what's happening now. That's what's happening now. So gold is well bearish, as well S&P bearish, as well Bitcoin bearish, except DXY. So high time frame is bearish. What you said on gold, let me check this again. Didn't saw your comment. So you're expecting 1676. So you're expecting this. What were you expecting here? Ah, now I get you. Now I get you. Okay. Just waiting for gold here, guys. Put some alerts on. I have mine already here because once we go down here on gold, we can expect some good trades. Good level to watch on gold. So let me take a look at some altcoins for you guys. I don't have too much. Not a fan of altcoins. I'm to be honest, just hold Bitcoins. But I'm looking to buy a few at least, just a bit. I'm looking at Link is one of them. I just wanted to go one more. Well, I just wanted to have one leg down, one more leg down to get a really decent position on this one. I mean, a wave perspective, in my opinion, we could be here in a wave four, so we still have a little bit. Let me mark this. We have some. Oh, this is black. Let me put this. So we have some room here to go down. So This is just what I'm waiting on, and then getting a last move up for, well, last move up. This is the macro fifth wave for Link. Don't know where to expect it at the moment, but I'm just looking at here what's going to happen because we have a few options, to be honest. And yeah, just waiting, just waiting on Link. But this is what I'm looking at. Um, what else is interesting? What people look at? I really don't know. Isn't sand something interesting? People like sand or not? Well, this is a chart that I'm not a fan of. Um, Maybe move down here. So, in the Illinois perspective, really hard to tell if this is an ABC flag correction or I don't know what people like saying the chart. I don't like the chart. I don't. I think this is something has to do with gaming, anyways. I'm not sure about this sandbox, something like this. I think it's called. What else do people like? Litecoin. Let me clear this and take a look at Litecoin. So, as you can see, Litecoin 12 month is, let me see, fair value gap here. So, I'm expecting Litecoin to go down here, fill just a bit of this, and then go up. But I wanna see Litecoin down here. This is on the 12 month. Let me go to the monthly. Maybe we can call this relative equal lows, and we can expect as well on the monthly chart another move down to collect those stop losses here, and then we can start moving up. So as you can see, this year is going to be bearish. But if Litecoin really looks that good, I'm going to buy some. So I want to see Litecoin going down here, trading at least below $22. So I want to buy between 20. So maybe $20 is a good spot to buy for the long term. Yeah, this is my take on Litecoin, to be honest, because as you see on the 12 month, we get this fair value gap. On the monthly, we can tell that we have relative equal lows here. We're going maybe to take this out. Weekly bearish as well for me. So we're going to have a few exciting coming months, in my opinion. So yeah, but this is something I'm looking for for Litecoin. Looking really good, but I want to see trading down here. What else do people like? Silica. I don't know what this coin does, but let's take a look. Put this away. So let's go to the 12 month. Nothing. Monthly chart on Silica. So we had this fill here. Fill value gap. Maybe something like this for Silica. So pretty much this was beautiful. So we went up, moved down to the fair value gap. All this move up here was fantastic. So if we want to stay bullish on silicon, we say, okay, this is maybe a good coin because I really don't know what future this has. Just looking at the chart, I'm at least expecting a move down here. So this will be another, at least another 23% to 35. So this is what I want to see on silicon. Let me put some alerts here so don't forget about this. Just going to the weekly as well. This is looking bearish. So let's see how this is going to develop here. So what else do people like? Is Ethereum Classic still a thing? Let me take a look. So much people like Ethereum Classic, so let's see. Damn. I don't know if this could be true. Just some thoughts I had, but maybe if Ethereum is not mineable anymore, maybe everyone is going to switch to Ethereum Classic for sure. So doesn't this mean that we can expect some good things on Ethereum Classic? I don't know. I don't know, but in my opinion, this could be a good reason to tell that this maybe has a future because I don't think people are going to throw away the miners, so they're going to keep with Ethereum Classic anyway. So let me see. I don't want to have too much opinion on this one. Monthly chart, we called, let me see here. I just don't like those relative lows here. Those relative equal lows here is not so good. But maybe this is just on this exchange. Let me check this here. Ethereum Classic. Oh, we have a lot more price action. What? I don't know. Monthly chart. Not sure if this can count as relative equal lows here, but if yes, maybe not a good thing. So this one is not included on this here. It's a little bit more to the upside, so a little bit strange on Ethereum Classic. Overall, I think it maybe has a future, but not rushing in on this. Let me switch to the weekly. So weekly we have a little bit more here. So we want to see a move up here. Then want to see how this reacts because we're most likely to going down corrective here. But the problem is, are we going? I don't think this is too bullish for Ethereum Classic, so I want this to go down. So maybe in Elliott perspective, we can count this as a maybe WX and a Y. Just go down just one more time, but this is something I will need to see. I'm not confident too much that this could happen, but this is maybe a possible way as, but yeah, all depends on Bitcoin. Again, all depends on Bitcoin. This is why I only take a look at Bitcoin. Because if we go to Bitcoin, like I said, we can expect just the move down to at least 14 or to 10K. This is what I've been talking about for a long time, and this is what I'm still expecting. No movement from up here, no wave 4 and coming a wave 5. This is not in my pocket, so I'm just waiting for Bitcoin to go down here. Let's see if we can make this happen. If not, I'm happy to be wrong. But yeah, pretty much this is why I only look at Bitcoin, because this is what it's indicating. Bitcoin, S&P, NASDAQ. We only have to take a look at this. Well, for a trading perspective, of course. So yeah, we took a look at pretty much everything. S&P, NASDAQ, Euro Dollar, USDCAD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some alts. Let me just take a look again at S&P on the 15 minutes. Still expecting another move down to fill this fair value gap. Let's see if we can make this happen. But we have equal highs, so we're going for S&P at least to 4K, well, 4016, around there. This is what I'm expecting for New York session. Let's see if this maybe could be an option. But we have launch hour in 45 minutes, so I'm not going to take any trades. So just going to wait for the New York Hill Zone and trading the New York session. This is pretty much where we're going to see the liquidity today. So we had a pretty much rangy few hours here, as you can see. So we can expect really New York to go up. So let's see what we can expect today. Prepare your pockets. S&P is looking good today for trading. Euro dollar, I'm still waiting. Like I said, and USDCAD. So you don't forget, we are waiting for the daily fair value gap here to go at least a little bit down. Then we can go to the lower time frame and get some scalps. But at the moment, we're waiting. Set your alerts here below this liquidity trend line. This is what you gotta wait for. So pretty much we took a look at everything. If you have anything for me that you want to take, that you want me to take a look, just let me know. If not, I will be ending the stream soon. We are pretty much ready for today's session. So I hope you enjoyed the stream a bit today. I hope that you learned something. Please don't trade in the coming 30 minutes. Lunch hour is in 40 minutes, so take care. Wait for New York session. Some trades coming today. If you have any questions afterwards, just let me know in the Discord. Don't forget to join. And thanks everybody that you joined today. Thanks a lot. Have a beautiful day. Cheers.